Here's how to fix the Steam service error on Windows. Step 1. Run Steam as administrator. Start by closing Steam completely. Right-click the Steam icon on your desktop or in the Start menu. Select Run as Administrator and confirm the prompt. Steam will now launch with full system permissions. Running Steam as administrator allows Steam services to start correctly and prevents service-related errors. Step 2. Repair Steam service. If the service error persists, repair the Steam service. Close Steam completely. Press Windows and R to open the Run dialog. Type and press Enter. If Steam is installed on a different drive, adjust the path accordingly. Wait for the repair process to complete. Once finished, restart your computer. After restarting, open Steam normally. Repairing the Steam service fixes broken components required for Steam services to run properly. Step 3. Reinstall Steam without deleting your games. If the Steam service error continues, close Steam completely. Open File Explorer and navigate to your Steam installation folder, usually located in Program Files. Inside the Steam folder, delete everything except the Steam Apps folder and Steam.exe. This keeps all installed games safe. Next, download the latest Steam installer from the official Steam website. Run the installer and install Steam in the same folder location. Once installation finishes, open Steam and sign in. Steam will automatically detect your existing games without re-downloading them. Reinstalling Steam replaces damaged service files while preserving your game library. After completing these steps, the Steam service error on Windows should be resolved. Subscribe for more professional Steam fixes and PC troubleshooting guides.